Riba ng bola. Green ball. Pinasa sa pwede nabola ng number 8 ng yellow. Pinasa. And that's 2 points for the French. 16-5 in favor of the yellow tiger. Riba bola. Yellow ball, number 8 in the dribble. Pinasa, number 17, no good. Nakuha si number 3. Pinasa, number 19, nakuha ng green. Nag-drive. Pinasa. No good. Nalima na number 12. Pinalo na number 16. Ay, number 12 pa rin ang number 8. Number 0. Pinasa. Pinalik. Sinyo. Score in favor of the yellow tiger. Number 8 to number 19. Zero. Number 19. 9-18 in favor of the yellow tiger. Shot, low, good. Nawawa ng green. Pinasa. By number 19. Shoot. No. Then 20. Pinasa number 0. Umay na 3. Score 11-23. Bigay ka number 19. 0. Nablock ang bola. Low. Sari ka number 0. Bigay ka number 8. Rebound. Hanggang bigyan pa ang bola. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. This last 1 minute is broken by David Calderon. Ang damang tingkod, ang damang ng oras. Number 19. No good. Isa pa naman. No good. Number 0. Pinasa kay number 12. That shoot. No good. Nawa ni number 8. Binaba, mabilis na pinababa. Pinasa pa kay number 19. Kung ito na 3, no good. Outside. 20 seconds. Yellow ball. Score 11-25 in favor of the yellow tiger. Ano na? 50, 40, 30, 12, 11, 10,